This video is brought to you by iPhoneReplacementParts.com. If anything on your iPhone is broken, or you need anything fixed, look nowhere but iPhoneReplacementParts.com. With free standard shipping to the U.S., we thank them for their support.
Hey guys, Link of the iPod Hacker here. Got my new iPhone 3GS. And this video is going to be on how the easiest way to take apart your iPhone 3GS. So you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Take off the two screws on the bottom just like 3G. I want to be careful with this one, you know what I'm saying? It's new. There's one screw. Put it off to the side. Okay. There's your second screw. Sorry guys if you couldn't see that. I didn't know if I was off camera or not. Okay, and then you're going to get your suction cup. Obviously I still have this big one. I still haven't upgraded yet. Because I'm cool like that. Stick it on your phone. Suction it to the screen. Nice and easy. Lift up. Pull off your suction cup. Set it aside. And then you're going to be careful opening this up. It's the first time I'm doing this. Motherboard looks different than the previous version. This was the take off number 1. Hold on guys, sorry about that. These cables are hard to get off. Try not to scratch the phone too, because it's brand new. Okay, I got number 1. There's number 2. I figured, okay. So you do the same thing with number 3, just like on the old version. And you've separated your screen with your housing and such parts. And to continue taking off the screen, you take off these 2 screws and these 3 screws and that 1 screw, and you're going to stick your tool underneath there, and you're going to pull these parts aside so that your screen will come up. And that's basically how you take apart the screen. And your motherboard, you had your 1, 2, 3 cables right here, so it was 1, 2, 3, and now you wish 4. You got 4 for your dock, 5 for your headphone jack, 6 for your your signal. And the 7's new. I'll have to investigate that one. Looks like another antenna of some sort. So guys, this has been a Leak of the iPod Hacker. Signing out. You guys, that is the easiest way to open up your iPhone. Rate, comment, subscribe. Check out my website at www.iphonereplacementparts.com. That would be great, guys. Peace.
This video is brought to you by iPhoneReplacementParts.com. If anything on your iPhone is broken, or you need anything fixed, look nowhere but iPhoneReplacementParts.com. With free standard shipping to the US, we thank them for their support.